I wanted to do film just not for the sake of it. I wanted to do something which the role has something to do, or it has at least some metal to it, or it should be author backed. Somewhere didn't really try for it in between, because initially, first of all, I wanted to run my house, so TV was the closest option and the easiest option for me to go. लेकिन आई थिंक आपको मुझे ऐसा लगने लगा था कि मुझे अब उस प्लेटफॉर्म पे काम करना है जहाँ पे लोग मेरे काम को देखें, जिनको देखना चाहिए, और जिससे मुझे और लोग काम करने के लिए साथ में बुलाएं.
So, hi Mohit. Hope you're doing well. Hope the new year is going really well for you and your family.
Yeah, wonderful, Lisa, and I hope the same for you. Have a great 2025.
You too. I think it's definitely a great start for you that Azad is also releasing now. It's your Bollywood debut. So, also congratulations on your Bollywood debut.
Thanks a lot. Thank you so much, Lisa. Thank you.
So, tell us what made you pick Azad for your Bollywood debut.
I think दो चीज़ें हैं जो मैं हमेशा से मैं कहता हूँ कि कि that has worked for me, and I think I've really worked on myself on these two things are patience and faith. I think I have this faith. I had this faith in me. एक शुरू से जब से मैं बॉम्बे आया था, I always had this faith that there's something I will do, obviously, in films, but I've never had the confidence to actually go and go and try for films, because I thought I want to become a better actor first. And I waited a long time. I mean, ऐसा नहीं था कि फिल्में बीच में नहीं आती थी. फिल्मों के ऑफर भी आए थे when I was doing Kulfi. But I think this was it that I've been waiting for, and a lot of factors were there. First factor was Abhishek Kapoor, because he is one of the directors I've always wanted to work with, and I think somewhere I manifested to work with him, and I loved all his films till date. And so he is the major factor I wanted to work with. And secondly, obviously the role. Uh, 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 I wanted to start off a career in films where I wanted to do film just not for the sake of it. I wanted to do something which the role has something to do, or it has at least um some metal to it, or it should be author backed. And so yeah, this was it. When I heard this role, I think my instinct just told me that yeah, this is it, and go for it. And how it's the main he's the antagonist in the film, but I think I really loved the role, and the way Abhishek sir had imagined him, and the way he wanted it to be. He's very clear with his characters. How his character should look and behave in a certain. So he was very clear, and I think I really liked that vision of his, and that's why I think I went ahead with it.
Absolutely lovely. So, you've been working in the TV space for around 2 decades now, if I'm not wrong. So,
Almost, yeah. It's been 19 years. Yeah, yeah.
almost 2 decades, yeah. So, why did Bollywood take so long? Like you said, you weren't prepared. What do you think was stopping you? Was it the lack of good scripts, or were you as a actor not wanting to go for it?
No, as an actor, I somewhere didn't really try for it in between, because initially, first of all, I wanted to run my house, so TV was the closest option and the easiest option for me to go. And however, it's not that easy how it looks, but yes, I worked hard in television. I learned on job. And so yeah, I want the yeah, the want to become a better actor has always been there, and still there. I'm sure it'll be there throughout. But I think so. Yeah, till the time I 2016, 17 onwards, I started to feel that that I can branch out, and I can try for films. Before that, I was still doing television. मेरा सारा ध्यान actually टीवी में ही था और मैंने कभी never really tried meeting directors or meeting casting people for films. Because of course I was very busy with television. I was, obviously, and secondly, I think I was not sure of myself to really come in the big three on the big screen. But after 2016, I really started feeling it. And now this is the time that I should, switch or not switch or probably try my hand or step up and show my craft or show my talent to people who needs to see it. Because television, television is now, I feel, however, how much ever you work hard, the audience is different. And and it used to be like television when सिर्फ टीवी सब कुछ हुआ करता था जब मैं आई थिंक मैंने स्टार्टेड इन 2006 एंड 7 तो 2000 टीवी ही बहुत बड़ा था फिर ओटीटी नहीं था तब और तो अभी ओटीटी के और इसके आने से टीवी पे जो काम होता है वो इतना काम हो रहा है खैर ओटीटी में बहुत काम हो रहा है लेकिन आई थिंक आपको मुझे ऐसा लगने लगा था कि मुझे अब उस प्लेटफॉर्म पे काम करना है जहाँ पे लोग मेरे काम को देखें जिनको देखना चाहिए और जिससे मुझे और लोग काम करने के लिए साथ में बुलाएँ।
Ravi, so that was also one of my questions. As someone who has worked in the TV space for like 19, 20 years now, with the rise of OTT, how have things changed in the TV space? Like बहुत फर्क आया है, of course बहुत फर्क है, but what do you as someone who's been there in the industry thinks? Okay.
आई ऑनेस्टली डोंट थिंक सो कि कुछ ज़्यादा फ़र्क आया है टेलीविज़न में। टेलीविज़न की ऑडियंस है वही जो जिस प्रकार के शोज़ उस दौरान बन रहे थे जब 2007-2008 में, आज भी मुझे लगता है कि कुछ चैनल पे तो बिल्कुल वैसे ही शोज़ बन रहे हैं। और अभी भी जब भी मैं देखता हूँ तो मुझे लगता है कि अरे यार! इतना वक़्त हो गया है, अब तो टेम्पलेट चेंज हो जाना चाहिए, अब तो कुछ अलग हो जाना चाहिए। बट सैडली आई थिंक उस टाइम पे भी ऐसे ही था, बहुत चुनिंदा शोज़, चुनिंदा मेकर्स कुछ निकल के आते थे, उनको कुछ अलग बनाना था तो बनाते थे। जिनके पास वो गट्स होती थी और जिनके पास वो कन्विक्शन होता था। बट अभी तो ऐसा आई थिंक इट रियली कम्स फ्रॉम द फियर ऑफ getting pulled off because now I think the shows are getting pulled off like right. I mean, within 2 months, within 3 months, shows बंद हो जाते हैं because इतना competition हो गया है, इतनी TRP wars बढ़ गई हैं। तो आई थिंक पीपल आर प्लेइंग वेरी सेफ और कि कि जो चीज़ें चलती हैं वैसा ही कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट बनाया जाए, जो चल रहा है वैसा ही बनाया जाए। वो खैर हर जगह ही होता है इनफैक्ट। बट देन उनमें से कभी बीच में कोई ऐसा कोई एक मेकर आता है जहाँ जो कुछ अलग बनाना चाहता है। वो पहले भी होता था, वो आज भी वही हो रहा है। तो ऐसा कुछ ग्रेट चेंज नहीं होगा टेलीविज़न में जो कि मैं कह सकता हूँ कि हाँ यार टीवी हैज़ रियली, रियली ग्रोन। आई डोंट थिंक सो। टीवी इज़ स्टिल देयर। क्योंकि टीवी की जो ऑडियंस है वो भी स्टिल वही है और तो आई डोंट नो कि कब चेंज होगा ये आई रियली डोंट नो।
Right. So I think ये जो the point that you noted right now, यही एक डिबेट था जो थोड़ी टाइम पहले हो रहा था कि टीवी में कंटेंट बहुत रिग्रेसिव होते जा रहा है या बहुत स्टैग्नेंट होते जा रहा है। सो व्हाट डू यू
ये
थिंक
शुरू से ही है वो।
हो सकता है? व्हाट डू यू थिंक आपके पर्सपेक्टिव से कुछ है जो चेंज हो सकता है जो हो नहीं रहा है जो होना चाहिए? यू थिंक व्हाट यू हाउ यू
Yes, that's as I said, if I'll also produce, I will try and make a blend of things, keeping the audience who watches my shows at the same time doing something different of my own creativity. Not making the shows which are already been done. And I what I see right now, I think there's a really lack of stories and lack of content in television. They're making everybody's playing very safe. They're making the content which works, which they think they works and which actually works. बट वही मैंने कहा ना जैसे कि यू नीड रियली नीड अ लॉट ऑफ कन्विक्शन टू टू पुल ऑफ समथिंग। ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं चले हैं शोज। मुझे याद है जब हमने कुल्फी भी किया था तो कुल्फी was a very different genre show at that point of time. So, but the conviction what producer had and the kind of work we did, the kind of script it worked because I think end of the day what I feel is what works is the story, and what works is the character, and at the same time what works is the emotions, how it lands, to the in front of the screen, whoever is watching, whether he is relating to you or not. So I think it depends on the actors also. At the same time, it depends on writing, it depends on everything. I mean, it has to be like Kulfi was a show which I always give an example that everybody was on the same page, whether it's the writers, whether it's the creatives, whether it's the actors or the music or the background score or the editing. Everything was on very clear because the producer was very clear what she wanted, and the channel was very clear that what they wanted. But now I don't know. I really don't see such kind of shows coming up, and I really hope that things change, and people take a little liberty, be a little flexible, and do something and do more creative stuff on television.
Evolve a little more, you think?
Exactly, that's the word, evolve. I think we evolve होना भी चाहिए, at the same time obviously keeping the market audience in mind, the kind of audience you have. क्योंकि आप जब तक उनको कोई आदत नहीं डालोगे, वो वही देखते रहेंगे और वही उसी में खुश रहेंगे। उनका टीवी ऑन हो जाता है 6 बजे और वो किचन में काम कर रहे होते हैं, और टीवी चल रहा होता है घर पे, और चलते आते-जाते देख रहे होते हैं। So it's like that, but if you really want to pull in the audience or pull in some new crowd, new people, new age group, you have to do something different. Because I remember when I was doing Kulfi, I still remember the kind of messages I used to get, the kind of fans I used to meet. They used to tell me that, and we are the ones who never used to watch TV. Now we have started watching TV. So if that has happened, so this can happen again, right? So why not? I mean, why not? You can actually make a show, and you can come up with different concept. You can be a little more creatively, you should have the creative liberty, I feel, to an extent. But at the same time, yeah, keeping the audience in mind, and sliding or something in, so that audience भी उनको भी थोड़ा सा change मिले, कि आप एक ही चीज बार बार अगर वही concept दिखाए जाओगे, तो then you're gonna not gonna go anywhere. You just become stagnant. Yeah.
Right. So coming back to Azad, it's your debut and you're playing a villain, right? So how was that? Did you ever like कोई सोचता नहीं first debut film and it's a villain? So आपके mind में क्या चला था when you got to know?
नहीं, I मेरे पास I didn't have any two thoughts. कोई double thoughts नहीं थे. Of course, I met him. I met Abhishek Kapoor sir for the first time, and when he narrated me the role and the character, how can I say no to him, and how can I say no to a character in such a big film, and the antagonist in the film. So it मेरे लिए तो मतलब ये था कि I just wanted anything, I just wanted a role to show myself or to prove myself, and I want people to see my work. uh, तो उसके लिए, but at the same time obviously the makers were good. It was a great, like Abhishek Kapoor sir is a great guy. He's मतलब वो उनका जो passion है, I always say that उनका passion है वो बहुत contagious है, and I really loved working with him. And I didn't have any, coming back to your question, मेरे पास कोई दो थॉट्स, दो विचार थे ही नहीं। एक ही विचार था कि करना ही करना है, और जान लगा देनी है जितना हो सकता है, जितनी ऑनेस्टी से मैं कर सकता हूँ। और कोई ऐसी इनिबिशन नहीं थी कि मुझे नेगेटिव नहीं करना है, या फिर मुझे सिर्फ पॉजिटिव ही करना है, या मुझे मेल लीड ही करना है, ऐसा ही करना है। लेकिन नहीं, मुझे था कि रोल शुड बी गुड, जहाँ पे मैं दिख सकूँ, चाहे वो 2 सीन हो, 3 सीन हो, 4 सीन हो, बट ऐसा हो कि मतलब एटलीस्ट लोगों को दिख जाए, हाँ यार, लाइक आई हैव डन माय वर्क। जितने भी, like, if you see the film, you'll understand, the kind of role it is, and it's a great role, and I'm very very honored and very very grateful that I got the opportunity to work with him.
Right. So, from being the lead actor in TV to now being the villain on a big screen, right? So, how did you prepare for it? Was there a change for you to go through mentally, or how did you prepare for to play a negative role, basically?
See, your preparation is something, which I always do for all the characters. ऐसा नहीं है कि टीवी के लिए मैंने कुछ अलग प्रिपेयर करता हूँ, या फिर मैं उसके लिए अलग प्रिपेयर करता हूँ. My work remains the same. सो यहाँ टीवी फिल्मों में ये होता है कि आपको वक्त थोड़ा ज़्यादा मिल जाता है प्रिपेयर करने का सेट पे जाने से पहले. So my preparation remains the same, and I think it always starts with the internal. I mean, I think the I मेरा सबसे पहला जो you know to start preparing for any character is to understand the subconscious mind of the character, and so what the character, what his world is, how he see things, how he what are his beliefs and what are his views for world, for life, and his issues in life, so there are lots of things, his identities in life. So there are loads of things that I get into, and as I said, it has to start from the internal, understanding the psyche of the character, अंडरस्टैंडिंग हिज नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव तो खैर वो तो बड़ा सब्जेक्टिव होता है दुनिया में कि कोई नेगेटिव है तो ये कोई किसी के लिए पॉजिटिव होता है तो वो किसी दूसरे के लिए नेगेटिव होता है. बट एक नेगेटिव कैरेक्टर अपने दिमाग में तो हीरो ही होता है, वो पॉजिटिव ही होता है अपने दिमाग में. तो वो कभी ये नहीं सोचता कि मैं कुछ गलत कर रहा हूँ, उसके हिसाब से तो वो तो सही कर रहा है. सो या बट सो हाँ, तो इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ अ कैरेक्टर, एंड समथिंग आई हैव नेवर डन बिफोर. And so, yeah, I'm really excited and at the same time equally nervous that how will people, see it and how will people react. Where do you see the reactions of people?
No, I'm sure people have loved you on TV, and so it will also transcend on the big screen, and people will really love you there as well. So, coming to Azad now, Azad has new faces. There's Rasha, there's Aman, new faces. How was your experience working with these young generation of actors? Do they have some fresh takes on thing, or how is it working with them?
I think, आपको कभी-कभी पहले लगता है कि यार ये स्टार किड्स हैं और वन इज़ अ डॉटर ऑफ रवीना टंडन, वन इज़ अ भांजा ऑफ अजय देवगन. मुझे पता नहीं, स्टार्टिंग में लगता था कि पता नहीं सेट पे क्या माहौल होने वाला है. बट ऑनेस्टली आई एम टेलिंग यू, दे आर द मोस्ट हार्ड वर्किंग किड्स एंड हार्ड वर्किंग पीपल आई हैव सीन. बोथ ऑफ देम हैव वर्कड सो हार्ड ऑन द फिल्म. And it's very very inspiring, and very very I'm so happy to see them working so hard for the film, both of them, and both of them are wonderful human beings. They've brought up so well, with their respective from their respective parents, and they are wonderful on set. Because how do you see, how do they treat their staff? It's everything matters. Yeah, मेरे लिए सबसे जरूरी होता है कि how सबसे पहली चीज होती है कि अपने स्टाफ को वो लोग कैसे ट्रीट करते हैं. तो जब मैंने वो देखा कि यार बड़े बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से ट्रीट करते हैं, तो वहीं समझ में आ जाता है कि दे आर गुड पीपल एंड दे आर वेल ब्रॉट अप पीपल. एंड ऑनेस्टली मतलब इट वाज माय फर्स्ट फिल्म टू, इट वाज देयर फर्स्ट फिल्म. सो वी हैड अ बॉल, बहुत मस्ती करी. ऑब्वियसली जब नेक्स्ट डे शूटिंग नहीं होती थी तो हम रात को पार्टी करते थे. लेकिन बहुत दिल लगा के और बहुत मेहनत से काम किया है सबने, एंड इट्स नॉट एन इजी फिल्म टू मेक, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. Hats off to Abhishek sir for making such kind of genre of films.
Lovely. So I think you've spoken about working with Abhishek sir, and how was it working with Ajay Devgan sir?
Oh, it was lovely. I have few scenes with him. But obviously ज़्यादा बातचीत नहीं होती क्योंकि वो भी अपने काम में व्यस्त थे और मैं भी अपने काम में व्यस्त था, तो ज़्यादा बातचीत हुई नहीं. बट हाँ, अभी मिलेंगे. लॉन्च अब होगा और मतलब जो भी इवेंट्स होंगे. और सो या बट इट वाज लवली. मैं तो मतलब ऑब्वियसली आई बीन अ फैन ऑफ हिज फिल्म्स, from Ganga Jal to Aparan to Omkara to his perform. He's a legend यार. He's मतलब उनके बारे में क्या ही कहें. I loved his intensity. I think one man, I think in the Bollywood, whole Bollywood, I felt that that who's a man, who I think is who has that masculinity in his eyes or in him. सो वो मुझे वो बड़ा अट्रैक्ट करता था उनका. और मैं बोलूँगा उनको भी, मैं उस वक़्त तो बोल ही नहीं पाया. अब मैं तो उनको सिर्फ़ देख ही रहा था व्हेन आई वाज़ व्हेन ही वाज़ सिटिंग और आई वाज़ सिटिंग नेक्स्ट टू हिम ड्यूरिंग द मेकिंग ऑफ द सीन्स. सो वी वर फिल्मिंग, सो मैं उनको सिर्फ़ देख रहा था और मैं ऑब्वियसली वो मोमेंट.
Went there.
हाँ, मतलब वो बड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट था वो मोमेंट, बिकॉज़ वो सामने बैठे हैं, मैं उनकी छोटी-छोटी चीज़ें नोटिस कर रहा था. उनके हाथ कैसे हैं, उनके 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 बाल कैसे हैं, उनके एवरीबॉडी. आई थिंक स्मॉल स्मॉल थिंग आई वाज़ नोटिसिंग बिकॉज़ ऑब्वियसली इट्स अ फैन मोमेंट. बट एट द सेम टाइम आई वाज़ कमिंग बैक टू माय ओन सेल्फ एंड गेटिंग इन, बीइंग इन द ज़ोन ऑफ द कैरेक्टर. सो या इट वाज़ दोनों तरफ़ा हो रहा था वो, लेकिन वो अच्छा ही हुआ, लेकिन सीन अच्छा हुआ, सब अच्छा हुआ। तो इट वाज़ वंडरफुल, वेरी वेरी नाइस एंड यू नो कोई ऐसा एयर-वेयर मतलब ही इज़ वन ऑफ द एक्टर्स आई थिंक जो सिर्फ़ काम से काम रखते हैं। एंड ही इज़ समबडी वेरी नो नॉनसेंस गाय ऑन सेट। जहाँ मुझे दिखा जितना मुझे, वैसे तो मैंने सुना बहुत बड़े प्रैंकस्टर हैं, लेकिन जितना वो सेट पे थे वो बड़े ही अपने काम से काम था। And something which I really really admire in people and really admire in actors. Yeah. When you're on set, you're just working, you're just committed and focused. So I really really admire and yeah, it was wonderful working with them. It's a obviously it's a dream. It's a dream to to work with them, and thankfully I worked with them.
Great, lovely. So, like in one of your earlier interviews, you had mentioned for 2.5 years, I think you were out of work and you faced these financial constraints. So, do you think the TV industry is, uncertain in a way? Has it? There's something to do with OTT there, or is it just the industry that's uncertain and a lot of competition is the reason? What do you think?
No uncertainty. See, uncertainty or इनसिक्योरिटी आई थिंक ये 2 चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं जो एक्टर अपने साथ लेके घूमता है और ये एक्टर्स के आजू-बाजू घूमती रहती हैं और उनको परेशान करती रहती हैं। आपको इन चीज़ों से टैकल करना आना चाहिए। सो और अनसर्टेन क्या नहीं है मेरे ख्याल से आज के टाइम में, सब कुछ अनसर्टेन है, आपकी लाइफ़ ही अनसर्टेन है, आपको कभी ये नेक्स्ट मोमेंट का नहीं पता कि क्या होने वाला है। सो करियर का तो छोड़ो, वो तो दूर की बात है कि कम काम का क्या होता है बिकॉज़ अ but I think for a person like me, I'm very picky, I'm very choosy about my work. So yeah, so I take my time to pick up a project and to do something with my whole heart. So but now I have मतलब खैर वो आपका नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन होगा, लेकिन मैं मेरे जैसे मेरा ड्रीम है कि मैं और मेरे जो ड्रीम डायरेक्टर्स हैं उनके साथ काम करना है मुझे। बट कमिंग बैक टू योर क्वेश्चन, सॉरी मैं भटक जाता हूँ। बट कमिंग बैक टू योर क्वेश्चन आई थिंक सी वो मेरे 2010 में ऐसा वक़्त आया था जबकि मैं आई थिंक पोस्ट मैरिज दैट आई डिडंट हैव वर्क बट that taught me a lesson that that you can't be really dependent only on acting and you should have your eggs in all baskets, and that's how we decided that we should get into restaurants. And when I started investing and Aditi started opening more restaurants, now we have like 5 brands in Bombay and we have like 8 outlets all over India. So that's a very I'm very proud of myself that I did that, and also of my wife. So that gives me a little, not little, that gives me a huge amount of security, which I can do the kind of roles I want to do now. And या मतलब पहले भी कभी नहीं था, चाहे पैसे नहीं थे लेकिन फिर भी मैं वही काम करता था जो मुझे अच्छा लगता था। कभी भी अपना मन मार के मैंने काम नहीं किया है ऑनेस्टली, कि मैं सेट पे जा रहा हूँ और मुझे बोरियत हो रही है और मैं सिर्फ ये सोच रहा हूँ कि चलो पैसे तो आ रहे हैं, ये तो मैंने कभी आज तक नहीं किया और ना कभी होगा मेरे साथ और ना ही हो, भगवान करे। बिकॉज आई हैव सीन एक्टर्स डूइंग दैट, टू टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस कि चलो ईएमआई हमारा पर डे तो आ रहा है, ईएमआई निकल जाएगा, बट आई दे हैव देयर ओन इश्यूज, बट टचवुड मैंने मेरे साथ ऐसा नहीं हुआ और ना ही कभी हो।
Absolutely. So over the years, I think you mentioned that the TV industry is a little stagnant. But what are any good changes that you've seen in the industry in these years?
गुड चेंजेस, नॉट रियली, नॉट रियली,
Right.
नॉट रियली ऑनेस्टली। आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट स्टैग्नेंट, it's very stagnant. We need to do something, and you really need to buckle up and do something more and give audience something new, so that they get used to something new. अभी वो इतनी चीज उस चीज के यूज टू हो कि आप वही दिए वही दिए जा रहे हो, वही दिए जा रहे हो, तो ऑब्वियसली यू नो तभी वो बहुत स्टैग्नेंट है अभी। अभी आई डोंट थिंक सो कि टीवी हैज रियली ग्रोन।
Okay. So what has been your personally your the most challenging role that you've played to date?
Challenging was See, everything is challenging. Obviously, for the film, this role was one of the most challenging, or if I say so, because this is not close to me what I'm playing in the film, and somebody who's not me, you know, and people who know me who will watch the film, and whoever has seen the film also. I mean, the crew and everything. They never thought कि ऐसा कुछ हो जाएगा, but they always like कभी-कभी मुझे कोई किसी ने बोलता है, कोई कोई बोलता है जिसने भी रिव्यूज या कहीं देखा है, तो they say like this is not you, and we know you because we have spent those shooting days with you, and we know this is not you. And so I'm really happy to know that people have, people can see that, and I could portray that. um, so yeah, I mean, this is something, the character was very very मतलब वो एक अब मैं अगर मैं बोलूँ तो एक वो अ, बहुत ही दूर है मुझसे वो कैरेक्टर जो मैं किरदार निभा रहा हूँ फ़िल्म में। तो वो मतलब इट्स ऑब्वियसली इट्स नॉट ईज़ी, बिकॉज़ आप अपने से एक नज़दीक से जब आप प्ले करते हो कोई कैरेक्टर, तो वो आपके लिए फिर भी थोड़ा-सा ईज़ी हो जाता है। बट व्हेन यू नो दैट दिस गाय इज़ नॉट यू, so you really have to change your psyche, and you really have to work on yourself, and you really have to give yourself time. And touch wood, I had the time to prep up for the role. Because end of the day, what you do is basically you have to get into the subconscious. I mean, the character should get into your subconscious so that when you go on the set, you are the character, and the things are happening very instinctively. So I think that happened somewhere, and I really liked the whole process of making this film with Abhishek sir. So yeah, it is honestly, this is one of the difficult characters till date uh, I would have played.
Fabulous. So now that you worked in TV for for a very long time, you worked in OTT for a brief time, and now you're into movies. So what is something that you enjoy the most, and what would you want to do more?
Everything. Honestly, I'm not really uh, saying that yeah, TV मेरा हो गया, अब TV नहीं करना, ऐसा नहीं है. I might do another television show if I like it. Uh, Given that my dates are properly handled, and I can do the kind of stuff I want to do on OTT as well as films. Uh, so yeah, I want to work with a lot of directors who are my favorites, and who are all are my मेरे bucket list में हैं जो. Uh, तो होपफुली जय माता दी, ओम साई राम, कि मैं कभी उनके साथ काम करूँगा. बट या एट द सेम टाइम I want to play different characters, and I want to do different shows on OTT, film, and television. I am not really restricted to only OTT and films. I'm gonna be doing all the mediums. But given that, yeah, I have to like the role. So I'm really, I mean, I'm open for everything, honestly.
Wonderful. So, like you guessed earlier, my next question was that what are you up to next? What is Mohit Malik going to be doing next?
Well, I'm in talks with a few people. कुछ अभी फाइनल नहीं हुआ है, but yeah, हो जाएगा जल्दी, and I will let everyone know what I'm doing next.
Wonderful. You're waiting for your announcements. So, yeah.
Thank you.
So that's all I had for you. I have Mohit Malik with me, who's going to be seen as the villain in Azad very soon. This is me, Amarylisa Gonzalez, signing off. Thank you, Mohit. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you, Lisa. Thanks a lot, and please go and watch the film on 17th January.
Definitely, we will, and my audience too will. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Bye. Have a good day. See you.
Same to you. Bye.